People, the reason why I come back to my place, Western say ill treat me. He collect me all of my money and give me no money. He make me wear all him daughter slippers. He have my Instagram account and want my money. And when he come on road, I'm a talk big and he not do nothing for me. And he not look about my my TRN and my passport. I'm have me over there lock up all long. People, the reason why I come back on my yard, West say ill treat me, he not give me nothing. He say I look about my TRN and my passport and my NIS. I know him not look about it, him hold me over there all long in a house, lock up. I make me wear all him daughter slippers too.
Not Lord.
And him not buy me nothing.
West said to look about for one big man care, cause I need faith for Michael Jackson, don't give me no. I mean, tell me, so I tell people them same give me, I don't tell people, I say people, West say don't give me no. Look at me, look about like men care, so I look about me, we know, we look about wicked West say. I know better than how you say, evil West.
I every show I'm going to collect the whole of my money and I give me none.
Yes, wicked West.
Ready? Yeah, good morning people, my day I want easy. Just wake up to some good news, see me? Be a rumor. Everybody know me stay now, everybody know West, you know. Feed people and take care of people. So there's no way I can have somebody on my foot and in cheat them, make them have what they want, you see me? The man just want to go back to town and just kettle out himself and just go be a party. No one wait till the place open back. He can go out over the road. He don't want to wait upon that. He want to go to town, so make him go on a town. I don't have the angle over that. You see me? You know, woman, I like keep an house for. I love man. See me? Stop, make people tell over step and phone my boss. See me? Because everybody know me read for you, and me write for you, and me do interview for you, and me do everything for you. The same girl in the video in the back line of the video, me know who. Her name is Jackish. Every day she beg me. See? So you don't know. Them can't help you. Them can't do nothing for you. And me respond to everybody and me boss everybody. Me respond to everybody. The people that know who me is. And me have a Westy Foundation and give back to people. So why me feel give to people and you down my foot and me not get no and take care of you? You see me? You have slippers that people, so my daughter slippers they wear. Stop embarrassing yourself here. Because everybody know a lie you tell. This way I say now add up. You see me? Can't bring them. I work hard for everything what me have. Everybody know that. So me work hard for everything what me have. So what you watch I do? No, I'm going to work, my brother. And you want to go back to town and me you run away. You down on foot, you get everything what you want. You want to go back to town, brother. So if you want to go back to town, bigger than me. I can't hold on for you. I'm a baby mother and I'm a woman. I can't hold on for you. For you go on back to town if you want to go back to town. When me fall back at the house, you know, remember me not see you know, you have the owner room, you have everything for yourself in the youth. And you go back to town. And I make people force you to do video for embarrass me. You can't embarrass me, youth. I want to hear you. You're not in a show. You're not in no video ads. You're not in the bookings. You're not going to wear the place locked down. And my money me use everything for you. But people, I say God, right now I'm not give nobody else. Yo, I don't want nobody DM me now inbox me and about oh, where's your me from him? I'm not bust nobody else. This is what people me give visa, the highlight, and I'm still turning back for me. I want thing me show about my life, I never tell nobody thanks it, you know. And nobody can answer me, never tell them thanks it. You see me? I never tell nobody thanks it. Me, now stop the good. Remember that. Right now, I focus on my kids them. And all I want is to give him a chance to him something. Chance upon balloon. I don't want to see him. You see me? I don't want to see him. Because if he can put me down like this, what you feel like? I don't want to see him. I do one thing now, I focus on my kids them. And I don't have nothing bad to say about him. You see me? How long this ever go on for? 1 week and it blow off. And nobody don't want to see you back, brother. And me have all connection because everybody you. And I put it to the world. And you can't wait until the place open back. You run Ghana town. Stay down there and let me say them can help you. Me alright with me there. Me good. Respect my people.